Today, I have decided to do something different. I thought of starting a startup with zero experience and zero rupees. Also, this idea has zero validation. I haven't asked anyone about this, and I am sure this is going to fail. But still, I'm trying just to get the taste of it. So, the idea is a self development app. Instead of me telling about the whole app, I'll just build it and then show it to you guys. Alright, we start. Okay, so I just gave the first prompt, and this chat is purely for discussion. So I will just come up with all the features and then we will start executing. Okay, now I told ChatGPT to provide me a master prompt for this, and then we will paste it into anti-gravity where Claude will be making it for us. Okay, now the prompt is generated. Let me copy this and paste it to. Okay, so now I have posted this code. Okay, so the two problems is I don't know how to write a single code. So everything will be done with AI. And the second thing is I thought of doing with Cloud Code, but I don't have the subscription, so I had to use with whatever I can. I know this will take time. By the time I'm going to edit a video on how I got into UI UX, so I'm pretty sure this video might be already released. So if you want to watch this video, click over here. Okay, so now it's done, and we'll check the results. Habit tracker, track. The UI is bit, what do you say? Nah, it's still doesn't have a register button. Damn it. Maybe open it in the Chrome. Register. It doesn't have a login button, so we'll ask it to add a login button again.
2 hours later.
Okay, I've been sitting with this for a while now, and it's just that I have to sign up for MongoDB. I don't know, some few other sign up thing is required. I thought I will do it tomorrow. I have a video to edit, and also I have a course to complete also. So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so for day 2, I spent a lot of time fixing the errors, signing up in MongoDB and all, but nothing worked. So I decided to find another way for creating this app, and you will see that in day 3. Okay, so I spent today watching few YouTube videos, and then I thought of going with Lovable. It took me around 10 to 15 minutes to create this, and here's the preview. It really shocked me. It was my bad for not going for Lovable first. It's like I just wasted 2 days, and I will show you the next. Let me just sign up here. So here's the dashboard. Here's the task, wake up early. If I click enter, yeah, I got a total XP. Let me add a task. It should come right now. Yeah, go to the gym, and I can select the XP over here. Easy, medium, hard. I'll go for medium. Then recurring and daily habit, add task. Okay, so the next thing is I need to add a profile section, and then what do I add next? And also while typing the password, I can't see what I am typing. I need to add a button which hide and unhides the password, and I think for now that's it. I will do the changes tomorrow because I can only do one prompt in a day because of the low credits. I'm on free plan, that's why. See you tomorrow. Okay, so for now, what's in my mind is to add a profile section today where I can see my account, maybe languages, themes, and then I need to add a hide and unhide section for the password. Okay, so it's just finished creating, and we'll just check. This is the profile section. Okay, theme is there. This looks good. English, Spanish, wow. Okay, let me sign out and check if yes, this is there. Let me sign it again.
A few inches later.
There's something issue with the sign in and sign up thing. I need to fix that tomorrow, and I will do a bit research on this app, and I will come up with new features. See you tomorrow. Okay, so this is day 5, and I did some research on the new features to be added. See, first one is a big goal tracking. It tracks big goal, like if you want to learn a new skill or something. And the second one is a routine builder. It just shows morning routine and night routine like a checklist. And then we have calendar view. We get to know if we missed a day of tracking ourselves. And then we have focus mode. It's a timer mode, like we can track how much time we did our work. Then the next is notes and reflection. It's like a tiny journal. I will get to work. I don't know, there's some sign up issue in the lovable and I need to fix that also. We'll see.
A few moments later.
Okay, so Lovable have created it. It only added two features, big goals and routines, and then it also fixed a sign-in issue. Here's the dashboard. Okay, this is the task, routines. Okay, this is the goals. Here we'll add learn Python. Here we will set a target date. We'll go for maybe August 18th. Add a goal. So we added a goal here. Yeah, we can add milestones like this. Okay, and it also has a graph too. That's really good. But the only thing I didn't like is in dashboard it doesn't shows here. Yep, it doesn't shows the goal in the dashboard. I need to fix that. This is a routine. I think a routine and tasks are kind of similar. Yeah. So here routine and tasks are kind of similar. So routine was a waste, I guess. So tomorrow we need to fix two things. We need to remove routines and we need to add goals in the dashboard. See you tomorrow. Okay, so a lot of things happened in past few days, so I had to take few days break from recording because I had a cramp in my back, so I had to take bed rest. But still, I kept on building this, but I couldn't record. On day 6, what I did is I had some sign-in issues, so I fixed that. And the routine feature and the task feature, I felt like the both were similar, so I had to combine them into one task. And then the new feature was calendar and focus mode. When I go to calendar, we can see how many days we missed and how many days we completed our task. And in the focus section, we can start the timer and go on with the work. And we will get XP on how much time we worked. That's on the day 6th and on the day 7th. Yeah, on day 7th, what I did is in dashboard, focus section and goals wasn't shown on the dashboard. So I added those two features here. Learn Python, see 2 out of 3 milestones completed. There was a separate sign out symbol over here, so I had to remove that and keep it in the profile section. And the new feature which I added is notes section. It's a tiny journal section where we can write how the day went well for us. And then we can save it. Let me try it out. Let me try to save this. Reflection save. Okay, so that's one issue. I can't see the daily reflection which I wrote. Yeah, that's one thing I need to work on. And on the next day, day 8, two things I did. While profile section, I added a feature where user can change their password and email address. When I opened this app in my phone, the top section was a bit crowded over there, so I had told it to make it into a hamburger menu and keep it there. And for now, the only thing I need to change is I think the note reflection. I'm not able to view the saved reflection. I need to fix that. Okay, so in the focus section, only timer is available, not a stopwatch. So I need to add a stopwatch feature. Yeah, that's the two thing. Right. Okay, so the another change I'm going to make is the security. I'm going to add a button here where it says change email or password, and when users click that, they will be able to change the password. Yeah, so let's see. Okay, so now the changes has been made. So now let's check in the focus section. Timer and stopwatch section is there. In the notes, oh yeah, it's there. And then what else did we do? Profile section. Yeah, so the changes. This changes has also been made. So I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. See you then. Okay, guys. So I took a few days break because I had to shift my room and all. I added a new two features. One feature is the groups where we can see our friends' levels. It's like a leaderboard where we can see other people's levels and all, and also we can create a group like a friends group, and in that we can compete with our friends. The another one is in the focus section. We have already made groups here like the work, study, reading, but we can't create our own group, category. I added a new feature here where we can add new categories like 25 minutes ad. Yeah, these are the two updates which I did. And also I need to tell you one thing, I'm actually stopping this video till here. I'll be doing the rest of the work in the next video. In the coming days, I will be deploying this web app, and from there my testing phase starts. I will be giving this to a few users who really want to test this app out and find ways to improve this app. You can check the description below this video. I will giving the current updates and all. But please do make sure you follow my LinkedIn page. If you have any opinions, or if you want me to make a video on a certain type of content, please do mention in the comments. If you guys really love this video, I hope you subscribe. It really helps me a lot. It motivates me to keep posting. Yeah, see you and God bless.